Hello everybody. Today I'm on my way to Massachusetts and I just stopped by Natasha and Gouti in Das Cuevas and they are about to make roast bake, and guess what? Gouti. Gouti. I told them, you know what? I told them I must taste that Gouti and bake. So I'm going to wait for them to roast the bake. It's the first time I tasted that, man. You know? So let's see how it's made. Local bake with Gouti, with Natasha and Gouti. She's about to make some bake and Gouti. Imagine Gouti, Gouti and bake. First time I'm hearing that, man. Whoa. Natasha is about to prepare the bake on the fireside outside, man. She just finished eating the flour, and the flour is about to rise, right?
Yeah, there is.
Right. Natasha just gave me some Portugal to taste. She wants to know whether I like it or not. But of course, I'll buy some. If it's sweet, I'm going to buy some. Sweet. Sweet. Mm-hmm. How much?
$10 for the Portugal.
I buy some.
Alright, no problem. That is water from.
This has no chlorine in it. This is straight from the mountain.
Gouti wants to cut up the Gouti and now season it, you know, so it tastes well with the bake. You see how good they are. Even Lucky is enjoying part of the Gouti too. I'm sure he's gonna get some bake too. I'm sure.
Yeah, of course.
You see now, I was right. Natasha is busy selling her produce to customers. Nice. Gouti is here cutting up the Gouti for us, man.
Yeah.
Watch Lucky. Lucky is a very lucky dog. Enjoying the meat. The Gouti. Lucky. Rakas Bay, man. Thanks to Gouti for bringing me up here. Fantastic view. Gouti is about to pick some Portugal. You saw some nice ones there.
We was using this stone before, but now we bring this iron from which we live. So
This is Natasha's daughter, right?
My baby.
The baby.
Yes.
She came to pick up Lucky to take him
For lunch.
for lunch. Nice Portugal, purple, string beans, even cocoa. Nice cocoa, man. And roasted lemon. Everything here, everything. And coconut.
Yeah.
Nice coconut, man. Everything in this nice spot here. Lovely.
I roll out the doughs, the put it on the fire. I get 5 doughs.
That's big.
Yes. take all your money.
That's our judge.
I asked her how you.
I thought I saw
it.
it. She
Yeah.
You
No,
have
I
yours,
took it out.
Portugal, Portugal.
That's
Sweet, very sweet. Very sweet.
I'll show you.
Can I hear?
Ah, you catch me with my cutlass and my knife dull.
Ah. You can see Natasha in the background, waiting patiently for Rudy to finish up so she can start her bake. This is a very nice view of Las Vegas. Fantastic. I love it. Nice, fresh air. Very calm.
This is blend seasoning, chalbani, thyme, everything blend up. Salt.
Natasha is making sure the Gouti is tasting sweet.
This is how I make pot bake. Now I'm going into the pot. Yeah.
Looking like Sada.
Yeah. Set up the fire on top by the time. Next one coming now.
So Rudy, why this? Is it to cook faster or what?
Oh, yeah. It's so more.
Oh, okay.
Come out more like a bread.
This is how it come out.
This Sada roti, man.
No! Saroti Matana! See how good it is?
It doesn't. The size doesn't matter. The size doesn't matter at all. That's this Sada. This Sada. It's not big. This Sada. Hey, Rudy, this Sada, man.
Yeah.
Big is thicker and round.
Yeah, get rid. Take it. Take it.
Man, this is Sada. This Sada. You're doing it in your way, but I mean, they use the what do you call it? The tower.
Yes.
But you are doing your own way.
Yes.
Okay, it's swelling.
Yes, it's swollen.
Rudy's making home style, country style sorrel with milk and what? Sugar?
Sugar.
Natasha,
Yeah?
you are Dogla.
Yes.
So which one of your parents is Indian? Which one is African? Your father was what?
No, my mom is African.
Okay. And your father was Indian?
Yeah.
Spanish and Indian.
Spanish and Indian mix.
Okay, okay. So how does it feel to be Dogla?
Well, normal, good, nice.
Okay.
My father is Carib and French Creole, and my mother is straight Indian.
Alright. So you have a very nice mix, man.
Yeah.
Nice
It
mix,
does
nice
not
mix.
feel like, sometimes it does feel special
Uh-huh.
because plenty people will be around you
Okay.
as a woman suiting
Uh-huh.
and then sometimes again they might feel So I cut off my hair because problem to comb it and
Problem? But it's softer than softer here now.
yes, but sometimes, not all the time.
Okay,
Like if you leave it open
Right.
too long
right.
and it gets dirty, I feel like combing it here.
Okay.
It just feel like cutting it off.
So Rudy is a lucky man to have you, eh? Hey Rudy. Hey Rudy. You're a lucky guy, isn't it? Nice, huh? See, Rudy's blushing, he's blushing now, Rudy's blushing. Rudy! Nice. Oh God! Catch him there. Cheers. Nice. Rudy is about to prepare the Gouti. Country style.
Yeah, you want to shove down a little bit.
I know.
Put it in, quick. I said, I have to send it, I think that's fine.
Chief cook, man. The chef. Chief cook.
What you want to bring for?
Rudy, it's looking good already, man. Looking nice.
The coconut milk, we then put it in the pot and the water. When we see what it says, take out,
Right.
put it in the pot.
Okay.
So now we just leave it like dry down and cook.
Okay. So tell me, this coconut, what kind of taste does it give you?
A nice
It's like
sweet-
coconut ice cream.
You serious?
Yeah, the same flavor as the coconut ice cream. Huh?
Yeah.
Same flavor.
Why you do that? That's mommy there. What happened? Hey, you don't want me to kiss you again? Why? Hey, that's love and kisses. That's love. That's mommy's love there for you. Man, children of nowadays, oh God. It's great. There's nothing else you're missing there. Just right.
It's just good.
Yeah.
My roti.
You see now? That's Sada roti. She knows it. Right. That's Sada for you, man. Wait for me. No, come on.
Come on.
Too much.
No.
No, he don't eat flour.
Too much. What?
Right, let me have.
Nice. Finally, Gouti and Sada. That's Cuevas style.
Really? You want sugar?
So Natasha, tell me, how was it?
It is nice.
So it was worth the wait, right?
Yes, it's worth it.
Nice.
It's worth it.
What's the name again? Crystal, tell me, how was it?
Tastes good.
Was it good? So you like mommy and daddy's cooking, right?
Yes.
Can you cook the same thing too?
Yes.
You sure? All right. I want to taste your hand. Tell me when. When? Next week? This week? When?
At school, I have test.
So next weekend then. I come in. Rudy, tell me, Rudy. Tell me.
Our family.
Really nice.
Real nice.
Our family.
Nice.
Come
Nice one, nice one. Today was a good day. But I had a bit of pepper that messed me up just now. So, Jewel over there, Jewel, give me some nice cold water. So it's cooling me down now.
Jewel.
Thank you to Natasha and Moody for a nice day. I was meant to go up to Brashes, but see them? They held me down. They held me tight. The Gouti and Sada. They call it what? Pot roast?
Pot bake.
Pot bake. But to me, that's Sada, man. Sada. On the thick side.
Pick it up.
But nice.
Pick it up.
They will see more of me. So I will see you on the next video.